Welcome back to Chinese Zero to Hero, where we offer complete video courses that take fresh beginners all the way to fluency, from HSK 1 all the way to HSK 6. From our HSK 3 video course, we selected this lesson and made it available on YouTube for a limited time only. Enjoy. We already learned in HSK 2 that n can be used for emphasis. When added at the end of a statement, it adds emphasis, which can be translated roughly as, don't you see? Don't you get it? 我还没去呢. Don't you see? I haven't gone yet. 我忙着呢. Don't you see I'm busy? N can also indicate I wonder. Like, 他是谁? 他是谁呢? Who is he, I wonder? 你叫什么名字? N, I wonder. But did you know that n has another use? N can also be used to ask for location. Where is something can be expressed with noun plus n. This is very simple. 你的书呢? Where's your book? 放在哪儿了? 就在桌子上啊. You simply add a n at the end of a noun. 我的书呢?
就在桌子上啊。
哦，就在桌子上。我的书呢? 对，就在桌子上。我的眼镜呢? 你看见了吗? 我没看见啊。牛奶呢? 还没买呢。The first n is asking for location, and the second n is used for emphasis. Remember, when you use n for emphasis, it's never stressed. 还没买呢，还没买呢。But if n is followed by a question mark, it's always emphasized. 牛奶呢? 牛奶呢? It's higher, isn't it? 牛奶呢? 还没买呢。牛奶呢? 还没买呢. Make sure you express this difference in your pronunciation.